So there was a shift that happened in my brain. And when this happened, this was the thing that allowed me to go on to generate millions of dollars online. So here's what happened. So there was this night where I decided to drop out of college. I was in college. I was trying to build my business on the side. I was very frustrated because things were not working. I was literally making $0 profit for 14 months of trying to get this business off the ground. And I was just sitting in like college class. I was like pissed off because like I didn't want to do this at all, and I just wanted the business, and it wasn't working. And so I was very, very frustrated. And so, anyways, this night I made a promise to someone that I will make the business work no matter what. I said this with absolute certainty, like absolute, sincerity. I meant it. And so this night, like I could not sleep. Like my mind was racing. I was like, why am I broke? Why is it not working? Why can't I sign clients? Like, what is going on? So I look over at the clock. Remember, it's like literally like 12:50 a.m. Like it's like midnight. And so I decide I'm gonna go to the bathroom. And I start brushing my teeth, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna start my day. Like this is just like pure like pain of being broke. That's like driving me to get up at like literally like 1 a.m. Crazy stuff. So I start my day, and I pop some caffeine, and I'm going downstairs to the apartment gym I'm at. I'm gonna start working out, start my day. I'm working out, and I remember seeing like these other like college kids, coming home drunk from the club and stuff. And I look at that, and I'm thinking to myself like, I'm done choosing like nights out and short-term fun over like my actual dream. Like I'm done. Like I can't do it anymore. Like it's too painful for me to keep on going that route. All right, that was the monumental shift. It became more painful for me to keep on doing the easy route, the fun stuff right now, over pursuing my dream. All right, it was so like the perception of pain was so great. The pain of actually doing the hard work was far less. So that's the monumental shift here that happened. Is my perception of pain absolutely flipped? And I still 100% see this to this day. Like it is so much more painful to be broke than to, be very wealthy. I see that. I see it. I feel it. And so I'm still taking that easier route in my mind of the route of less perceived pain. That's what you get to do. And so anyways, like this day would happen. I did my workout, and I went to crank out like, 4 or 5 hours of like heavily caffeinated work. And nothing at all monumental happened in my actual work, like in the business, any like breakthroughs, like nothing monumental happened at all. Nothing. But the monumental thing was that perception of pain flipped for me. That was the monumental thing. And you need that to happen. All right, if you want to be successful, if you want to like build a very, thriving business that makes you lots of money, you have that perception of pain must flip. All right, it must be more painful to do the fun short-term thing over doing like sitting at your computer and just doing work for hours and hours on end when you don't want to, being up early, going to bed late, of doing whatever you need to do to get the work done. All right, that pain has to switch. That perception of pain has to switch. It's the only way possible, because like truthfully speaking, your brain is always trying to conserve energy. Always. Like it always is. Always trying to take the easiest route along with survival. This is literally an evolutionary heuristic that's taken on, right? Evolutionary mechanism that's taking place. Is your brain just wants to conserve energy. All right, the person that's if you think back like thousands of years ago when food was scarce and you literally had to hunt for your food and find food and stuff. Or the person who could conserve more energy required less food, therefore they're more likely to survive. That's like the evolutionary root of all of this. And so your brain is constantly looking for routes to conserve energy. And so if you can switch your pain perception of, hey, this is actually the route, the route of hard work on the business, actually the route of less pain, of less energy, then your brain's going to choose that every single time. You have to make that switch though. You have to make that switch. That's the key. If you do that, then everything changes, because that becomes the easy route. Like imagine if working on your business was as easy as, playing video games or, watching sports or whatever it is you do in your free time. All right, whatever it is, watching Netflix. Or imagine if it was that easy. And that's what it is for me today. Like truthfully, like, it is. I love doing this now. It's a route of the least pain. And so this is the switch you have to make. Like you have to brainwash yourself to see this route of less pain. You must. So that's the monumental switch that's led to me building my businesses and helping me generate millions of dollars online. So I hope this video was insightful, just sharing my experience here. If you are an online coach yourself and you want to scale your business, go ahead and click the link below. I have a very amazing offer for you. If you want to work together one-on-one and actually scale your business, we'll license all of our lead gen sales system to help you scale and book more calls and make a whole bunch more money. Click that link if you're interested. If not, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.